And work that footwork. Deep, good. There you go. Chin down. Bye-bye. Good footwork. Deep, good. Up outside. Aim. There you go. Aim. That's perfect. Again. See up again. From there. Come on. E up again from there. E up again. Ooh. E up again. Go. Don't back up. Don't back up. Yeah, don't back up. E up. Don't back up. Ooh, he tired. E, there you go again. Aim. E up. Oh. Oh, wee. Whip that faster. There we go. Keep good. Keep good. Move. There you go. Move. There we go. There you go. Good. Deep. Back him up with it. Yeah, don't let him run up on you. Yeah. Stop him where you stand. Stop him where you stand. Aim. Aim. Good. Aim. 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 Good. Jab teep. Shot. Good. Jab teep. There we go. Good. Ooh, step out more. Good. Again. There we go. Jab, teep, and footwork. Good. You better get up out of there if I'm gonna clobber you in. Teep, good. 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 Stepping out. There we go. Good. Swing that back. Good. Teep. Teep. E up. There you go. Shop. E. Good. Too dark over there. Teep. She up. I want a lot of teep this round. She up. Shop. E up. There we go. Aim. E. Aim. Good. Aim with that teep. Chin down. Tee up, chin down. Tee up, teep, E up, step. Good. Break. Step out more. Step out more on that body kick when you got the room. I'm giving you more room today. Chin down on that jab. Use some footwork. If I'm this close, I was too close. You should be already up out of there. All right? Footwork, and E up, and you can get him with that left kick too. Keep. Shadar, there you go. Keep. Good. Move, go. You should. Yeah, you're already going. Going. There you go. I cut the ring off. How you gonna? Keep. There you go. Nice. There you go. Good. Ooh wee. Good footwork. Move. Move. There we go. Can you box him backwards? Can you box him backwards? Chin down, chin down. Chin down on that, chin down. Chin down. There you go, that's it. We got no female. Ooh, wee. Teep. There you go. Let's get some footwork. There you go. Chin down. You got 4? There we go. I need footwork. Good. Footwork and breathe. That's how you get your breath. Stepping. Stepping. Good. Turn. Pop. There we go. Breathing. Up, nice. I want the teep. Breathe when you get that room. Up, breathe. 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 Ooh, I'm gonna get that rib if you don't protect. Oh, wee. Teep, perfect jab. Shot. Perfect. Shot good. There you go. Good. Ooh, I'm a nice guy. Jab him back. And then hook him. Lead hook anytime. Lead hook anytime. Shop, there we go. You shop, Deep, hard. There we go. Hard. There we go. That's beautiful. You should have already teeped. There you go. Beautiful. Oh, wait. Hook side. Very good. Give me right kick feints anytime. Give yourself room. Good. Good. Come on. Good. Sometimes kick higher. Good. Show them you've been lifting weights. Show them you've been lifting weights. You can turn. Hezzy. Move all that. Ooh, wee. Add something to it. Fake. Here. Slide. Up to you. Ooh. Careful. There we go. Teep. That's perfect. Come on. Good. He's not always going to stand in one spot. Good. Ooh. Nice. Shop. Better watch that back leg. Better watch that back leg. Better watch that back leg. Good. Perfect practice. Good. Perfect practice. Breathe. Deep. Good. 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 Well, how many teeps you can go? It's up to you. Deep. Very good. Oh, hey, up, Oh, defensive. Yep, protect your points. Protecting your points. Protecting your points. Hey, I'm good. Hit him with the fake teep. There you go. Hey, and I'm backing up. Good. Protecting the points. 40 seconds. Hey, yeah, pendulum. Hey, no switches. Throw it up there. That's good. Get the right hand up. Hey, faster. Aim. Who? How am I too far? You gonna say that to your opponent? You too far. Come closer. Let me kick you. You too close. No, back up so I can kick you. Okay, well maybe you should change up your distance. All right? Yes or no? Ooh. Hey, throw it. Hook. Move. Oh, take a quad.